Hello friend, welcome to my another video. I will say something about my dream. Dream is common phenomenon in human life. Everybody dream and almost every night. Some of those dream are soothed that easily, remembered or can hardly be forgotten while some other go into oblivion. Whatever we dream at night or by day is not a fact. The fact is that dreams are important not only human life but also for the overall development of any nation. At present, the dream of old, according to me, is to build old as a digital one. Old dream that she will be able to establish herself as a digital old within the year of 2021. Once old dream that she would be able to get introduced herself as a free and sovereign country in the map of the world. That dream come true in 1971. One time Bangladesh was separated into two parts, namely the north and the south by the Miziti River, Jamuna. Later, the Jamuna Bridge was constructed over the Jamuna. Now the bridge over the Miziti Padma is about coming into masterization. Yes, I think that the old as also a common dream. The present old is affiliated with virus problem. As a poverty, tourism and oil. So the old dream that on the sus kind of evils will be elementary and the old place will be established forever. I fulfill your dream and you definitely get success. because if you want, everything is possible. Thank you.